So it's me, LT, back again for another video. The lighting in here is always so subpar. So we are in the kitchen and I hope you guys are enjoying all the fall content that's coming out, all the fall videos that are coming out. And in the light of that, we are going to continue to move forward in the theme of fall. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite fall recipes. So if you are interested in learning some new recipes, if you're interested in seeing how I make a recipe a little different than you do, and maybe you can pick up some tips and tricks, or you guys can teach me a little something, I don't know, right? But either way, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be part of the village, be part of the family, and if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. So the first recipe that we are going to be making today is the classic, the staple of fall, what everyone always, I feel like, is making. I've seen this recipe popping up from the moment the chill hit, right? And it's currently not super chilly or nothing, but anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lasagna soup. Of course, this is going to be vegetarian friendly. All the meals that I'm making, if you have not caught on to this, are vegetarian. Let's go. If you guys are ever wondering what to get somebody as like a house present or anything like that, get them a Dutch oven. I got this Dutch oven from at home, and honestly, it's been one of my favorite things. Like 3-quart one, because I'm just me, so I usually make like half pots of stuff or whatever, but get them a Dutch oven. The lasagna soup is done. Guys, I'm so excited to try this. It smells so good. So that is the recipe for tonight. I will actually meet you guys back here in the morning, and we are going to make a new pancake recipe. So I hope it all works out, but I'll see you guys in the morning. Hello, good morning. So it is the next day. One of these legs is like, so when it comes to fall time, right, everyone's big gag and shtick is like pumpkin flavored things or whatever. Me personally, I don't like pumpkin flavoring. It's not horrible or nothing like that, but it's not my go-to choice if I had to choose one. I'm gonna be making maple sweet potato pancakes this morning. Never made this recipe before, but we're gonna try something new. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to like boil the sweet potato for a little bit, so we're gonna start there and then get into the rest of the sweet potato making. Okay guys. Ooh. Oh, this smells like fall. Fall is in this. Okay. Also guys, I've been talking about the lighting. This lighting eats in here, but it don't look like this every day. Okay, so for today's meal, we're gonna be making a roasted garlic tomato soup, homemade with grilled cheese on brioche bread. And yeah, this is something that's super simple, super easy, and I love a good grilled cheese. And then as the winter seasons are coming, grilled cheese is just easy, super family friendly, super warm, comforting, and yes. I have done this recipe already, and last time my soup didn't come out as like tomatoey, it came out more so like a orange pasta sauce. So this time around, we're gonna try and get it to be real tomato-like. Also, let me know if you guys make any of these recipes. I don't know if anybody ever is making the recipes that I'm making. I know these are not like from scratch. I'm getting all the recipes from Pinterest more than likely. So those will also always be linked down in the bio for exact things if y'all want to know them. But yeah, let me know if you guys are making any of the recipes and how you enjoy them, what you think, and all that kind of good stuff. But let's get into the tomato soup and grilled cheese. Okay, so I made the soup, and now we're going to make the grilled cheese. For the grilled cheese, I'm going to be making it on a brioche bread to give it a little sweet kind of kick to go with the savory soup. And then I'm going to use Boursin cheese spread and cheddar cheese for the in-between. For the last recipe, like I've been promising you guys, please don't mind the mess in the background, but for the last recipe, we are going to be making apple pie cinnamon rolls. I really have this obsession with the apple croissant from Starbucks, and I was gonna try and make a dupe of those, but it looks a little complicated. I'm hungry, and I thought, what not better? So we're gonna be making apple pie.